The first feature we are showing this sprint is the login system. This is a stand-in for the Georgia Tech CIS system, which we still do not have access to. The placeholder login system allows a choice of users to be selected from the drop-down list. Here, I will demonstrate the login to an admin account. Select Admin. Then select Admin from the drop-down menu. Now we are redirected to the admin page. Next, I will demonstrate the login to an employer account. Select Employer. Select our favorite company, Big Corporation, from the drop-down list. Now we are redirected to the job listing page for our company. Finally, I will demonstrate the login to a student account. Select Sengoku from the drop-down list. Now we are redirected to the student job listing page.
Another one of the new features we created is the ability for students to apply for jobs by submitting a resume and cover letter. First, the students will choose the job they want to apply for. Next, they will click the Apply button and upload their resume and cover letter. When the Submit button is clicked, the data is uploaded to the database. First, the resume and cover letter are submitted to our resume files table. Next, the student and job information is submitted to our job applications table. This way, the student notifies the employer that they are interested in this job, and the employer will be able to review their materials and make a decision on their application, which we will show next.
I'm now going to demo the View Application feature for employers. When I navigate to the Applicants tab, I can see a list of students who have applied to my positions. I can then click View Resume to view a student's resume, or I can click View Cover Letter to read their cover letter. I can use this information to make a decision on whether or not I want to accept these students for the position.
Once I feel that I have received enough applications, I can begin the process of accepting and rejecting applicants. For example, applicant 1, Tsubasa Hanikawa, was not qualified for this position, so I decided to reject her application. Applicant 2, Sengoku Nadeko, was a great fit for the job, and I want to give her an offer. Thus, I'm accepting her application. Currently, there is no visible change on the front end. However, when we look at the database backend and refresh to see if there are any new changes, we can see that the application statuses have changed. As expected, Tsubasa's application now shows up as rejected, and Sengoku's application is now accepted.
In terms of our iteration plan, we have met all of our goals so far on the employer side, since for this sprint we wanted to be able to view the applicant's resume and cover letter, as well as be able to accept and reject applicants. We are also on schedule for the student side since we wanted to be able to apply for jobs. For the last sprint, we will be focusing on receiving notifications so users are aware of changes in the application statuses for students, and making some changes to the user interface. Moreover, we will do a lot of testing to make sure the application works as intended for all use cases.